We leave our campsite at the waterfall early in the morning. After a quick traverse along the top of a small gorge behind the waterfall, we enter a large valley. Along the path we notice dry bush plums, used by Aboriginal people as a valuable food source. From now on, we will be traveling for most of the day across a flat, open valley surrounded by hills of the West MacDonnell Ranges. The weather today is kind. It is cooler than yesterday, and for the first time since the beginning of our adventure, we notice some clouds in the sky. After reaching the end of the valley, we stop for a short rest at the entry to a small canyon in Arlanga Pass. We are in a dry creek bed, and it shows by the presence of denser vegetation. From here, the trail leads through a rocky gorge. Rocky cliffs rise vertically up on both sides of the gorge. The path is covered by rocks and boulders, so we have to tread carefully and make a slow progress. After a while we emerge from the canyon, and it is only 2 more kilometers along a flat path from here to the campsite. We will spend the night at Serpentine Chalet Dam. After arriving at the campsite early afternoon and having some rest, we go for a short walk to the dam before sunset. The dam is located in another gorge, and it was built several decades ago as a tourist attraction and a place to swim and relax. Abandoned since then, it still boasts a small waterhole tucked between rocky cliffs.